Welcome to a new and unique English lesson, the AFP way. If you want to be a fashion icon, know that the real secret isn't memorizing grammar rules. It's learning the sentences native speakers use every day. In this video, you'll learn 50 very important everyday English sentences, organized with a simple explanation between each set so you don't get bored. We'll also focus on correct pronunciation to improve your listening and speaking skills. A note before you begin: repeat each sentence aloud after hearing it, because repetition is the fastest way to get tired. Ready? Let's get started. Good morning. Good morning. To greet someone in the morning. A common question. A common question. To find out how someone is doing. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. A polite response when someone asks how you are. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Said when meeting someone for the first time. What's your name? What's your name? To ask a question about someone. My name is Ahmed. My name is Ahmed. A simple way to introduce yourself. Where are you from? Where are you from? A question to find out the person's country of origin. I'm from Egypt. I'm from Egypt. Used to state your country of origin. How old are you? How old are you? A question about the person's age. I'm 20 years old. I'm 20 years old. Used to answer the age question. Excellent. If you've been repeating this phrase too much already, you've developed a kind of disease contagion. Keep going like this. Everything you memorize today brings you one step closer to divorce. What do you do? What do you do? A question about the person's job or occupation. I'm a student. I'm a student. Used to state that you're a student. I work in an office. I work in an office. Used to describe where you work. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? A question to learn if someone speaks English. Yes, a little. A response when speaking basic English. Can you help me? Can you help me? A request for help. I don't understand. I don't understand. Said when you don't understand something. Please speak slowly. What to learn? What does this mean? A question about the meaning of something. This set is very important for everyday conversations, especially if you are learning English, communicating with others, or traveling. Where is the bathroom? Or a question about the location of the bathroom. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? A question about the price. I would like some water. I would like some water. A polite way to ask for water. I'm hungry means you feel hungry. I'm tired. I'm tired means you feel tired. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. To ask for a moment's respite. See you later. See you later. Said when saying a temporary goodbye. Have a good day. Have a good day. Wishing the other person a good day. Take care. Take care means take care of yourself. You are now learning phrases that people use very naturally every day. The more you repeat them, the more businesslike your speech will become. What time is it? A question about the time. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Used to state the time. I'm busy right now. What means you are currently working. Call me back later. Ask to call back later. I'm on my way. Means you are on your way. I agree with you. I agree with you. Means you agree with the person. First, let them be safe. Let them be safe. Let them be safe. We can be safe. We can be deeply safe. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Means a good idea. I don't think so. I don't think so. Means you don't think so. No problem. Means no problem. Means no problem. Of course. Of course. Means of course, definitely. If you're still with us this long, I hope you do a great job. Remember, precedence is more important than speed in language learning. I'm sorry to apologize. Excuse me to get attention or offer a mild apology. Thank you very much. A strong and polite thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. A response to a thank you. Congratulations. To congratulate. To apology. Good luck. Good luck. To wish good luck. I miss you. Means I miss you. Means I miss you. I like this. Means you really like this. That's amazing. Thank you for the amazing thing. See you tomorrow. Said when saying goodbye until tomorrow. If you find this content helpful and want daily exercises and powerful tips for your English every day, be sure to follow me on all social media platforms. Links are in the description. Here, I share a scientific contribution that will not only help you learn, but also enable you to actively contribute to your daily English learning.